used to and would, although they have the same meaning, they are used in different ways. So used to is used for actions, states, likes, dislikes, and opinions that are not true anymore. Yeah, so basically every verb. In other words, we can always say used to. If you're not sure which one to say, used to is always correct. We'll come back to that more in a minute. Would, on the other hand, move that down here, is only for actions that are not true anymore. So used to is for everything. Would is only for actions. So I could say I would sleep, I would learn, but I cannot say for the past I would like or I would think. If you say like or think, that means you're talking about the present. It's a different type of grammar, which we're not going to look at today. But this is very, very important. So same meaning, but different uses. That's basically it. That's basically the grammar. So I have some examples that we could make now, used to and would. So if we want, we could copy this table here, make it much smaller, just kind of like as a reference, like that up in the corner. Make it smaller in the corner. Almost rhymes. Let's do that. So remember, used to is everything. So I used to be naughty, but now I am good. So just to practice, what this verb be, what kind of verb is that? I guess you can see in the top, right? I used to be naughty. See, it's a state, right? It's a state. So we cannot say I would be naughty, because we cannot use states with would. I used to be naughty, but now I am good. Let's do another one. Really common for like things you like. I used to love. Sorry, I might need to cough. I'm not sure how to mute myself actually, so excuse me for coughing, but it's still quite early here. I used to love, let's just say olives, but now I hate them. So this second half, this just kind of shows you it's no longer true. If we say used to or would, that means it's not true anymore. It's something that was true in the past. I used to love olives, but now I hate them. Let's do one more for used to. They used to believe in Santa, but now they are older and they don't believe in Santa. Yeah, they used to believe. So here we've got believe. Yeah, believe is an opinion, a belief, of course, and we do not say would with believe. It's not something you can change so easily. Would is only for actions. So let's make some actions now. Let's say I would cheat on my exams in school. It would help if I could spell. So this is like a habit. When I was in school, I would always cheat on my exams. It's like an ongoing habit, but I don't do it anymore. Maybe because I'm not in school anymore. My grandpa would fall asleep in his chair after dinner. So here we may be talking about a memory we have of when we were younger.